Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you: contemporary matte black wall-mounted dual-handle bathroom faucet. Certainly. Here's a script for a YouTube video review of a contemporary matte black wall-mounted dual-handle bathroom faucet. This script will guide viewers through an in-depth examination of the faucet's design, functionality, installation process, and overall value. Hello, design enthusiasts and homeowners. Today, we're reviewing the sleek contemporary matte black wall-mounted dual-handle bathroom faucet. Let's find out how this piece combines form and function in your bathroom space. This wall-mounted faucet is a statement piece in modern bathroom design. With its matte black finish and dual handles, it promises to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any bathroom. Show the faucet in its packaging. Out of the box, the faucet feels substantial. The matte black finish is flawless, and the handles have a nice weight to them. Voiceover included are the faucet, 2 handles, mounting hardware, and installation instructions. The design is minimalist yet striking. The matte black finish offers a modern look that stands out against traditional bathroom fixtures. The dual-handle design not only looks great but allows for precise temperature and flow control. Constructed from high-quality materials, this faucet is designed to resist corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring longevity and durability. The build quality here speaks to a focus on durability and functionality as much as on aesthetics. Installation requires some plumbing know-how, as it's wall-mounted. It's recommended to hire a professional for a seamless fit and finish. Once installed, the faucet integrates beautifully with the wall, giving a clean and uncluttered look. The dual handles provide a smooth operation, allowing for easy adjustment of water temperature and flow. The water flow is consistent and the handles offer a tactile and responsive experience. This faucet is designed with water efficiency in mind. It meets industry standards for water consumption, making it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. For those conscious about water usage, this feature is a big plus. The matte finish is surprisingly easy to maintain. It resists fingerprints and water spots, staying pristine with minimal cleaning. A simple wipe with a soft cloth is usually enough to keep it looking new. Its contemporary design makes it versatile enough to fit into various bathroom styles, from modern to industrial. It's a piece that can be the centerpiece in a minimalist bathroom or complement a more complex design. Considering its quality, design, and functionality, the faucet sits at a reasonable price point. It's an investment for those looking to elevate their bathroom's aesthetic while ensuring practical everyday use. To wrap up, the contemporary matte black wall-mounted dual-handle bathroom faucet is a perfect blend of style, quality, and functionality. It's a standout choice for anyone looking to modernize their bathroom. Thanks for watching our review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments.